What's up guys, it's Wubny here. So I just got off work after an 8-hour shift, and on the way home I met somebody on Facebook and it was a great deal. I paid $60 for all this, including the guitar. And the guitar alone, I'll make about half of my money back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through this, and then I'm going to lay it all out on my bed once I clean my room up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go through it with you guys. So guys, boom! Look at all that. So I don't know how much I'm gonna get. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take a video of all of it, talk about a little bit of it, and then I'm going to show you guys a price layout once I do the prices. So, Guitar Hero guitar, I have 2 of these, I believe, in the package. One is damaged packaging, both are damaged packaging, but they're in the package, which is great. We have a foot pedal. This is some sort of racing controller type thing, I think. A Xbox 360 Guitar Hero or Rock Band microphone. Bunch of cords. This Disney Infinity thing, I've actually sold this before. I've sold one similar, and they actually sell kind of quick for a decent amount of money. This, I have one listed, but it didn't really sell too well, and then we have this thing. I'm unsure what this is, too. Avengers Labs. Kind of cool. But then we have controller. I believe this is a DualShock. This is for PS2. I believe this is for PS2 because of the analog button. PS2 controllers. More controllers, and then these games. Go ahead and do a quick run through of the prices or of the names of these games. The Yakuza Missions, Resistance 3, Sims Bustin' Out, Guitar Hero 3, Legends of the Rock, Need for Speed Undercover, and PlayStation 2 Ultimate Cheat Codes, Grand Theft Auto. On top of a Sega Genesis game right here, and then all these I haven't looked at yet, but it's even more games. So, amazing buy. $60 plus this little dance pad, which I haven't looked at. But $60 for all this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to shower, probably do my nightly routine, go through it all, and then I'll explain the prices once I'm showered and once I understand what I actually bought. So guys, I totally did not just throw this on just so I had a shirt on, but I have the numbers tallied up for everything but the actual video games. So, the actual games, and I guess I forgot this as well, I have everything but these. So, all the controllers, the guitar, the foot pedal, the dance pad, all that I have the actual numbers for. I guess because I forgot this, I'll include this with the video game stuff. And I don't know what this is. If y'all know what this is, leave it in the comments. It's some sort of Avengers thing. But, let's go ahead and read the numbers out. Also, I'm at my mom's house, so I don't have all my normal stuff. And I'm not going to be adding this up. I'm just going to have the number at one of the top of the screens, increasing as I read out the price. So for the Guitar Hero guitar, I can get $45.57 plus shipping. So I always round down, so say I get 46, I'll round down to $45.57. $45.57 for a Guitar Hero guitar. I spent $60 on this lot, so that makes me most of my money back already. Next, I have the silver PS2 controller. I can get $14.57 plus shipping for that. Crazy, I basically already broke even, not counting fees. The gray controller had a rip in the cord, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep it for myself. So I am gonna buy a PS2, a PS3, and buy a bunch of systems just to keep to test games. So that's gonna be my testing controller if the actual controller works. Next are the G-Pad controllers. I had 2 of those. Those were the ones that were new in box. Pre-owned this stuff for about $10, so new open box. I'm going to try to get $14.57 plus shipping for each. Next is a Guitar Hero foot pedal. I can get $14.57 for that as well. Remember, at the top of the screen somewhere, there's going to be a number that increases as I read out the price. And then for the GameStop PS3 controller, I could probably get $9.57 plus shipping for it. Nothing too special, just a normal PS3 controller from GameStop. For the Mad Catz controller, you could just say this one's useless, but $3.57 plus shipping. Only one real sold comp, so who knows how that one will go. The Cyborg 3D Rumble Force, I knew it was going to be worth a little bit of something. It was worth $19.57 plus shipping. And also, guys, I just want to say that I'm probably going to end up making a little bit of money on shipping because I am an eBay seller. I get sort of a discount. So say shipping's $15, I could potentially make $2-3 extra bucks off of that. Next is the Disney Infinity Pad, $9.57 plus shipping. Like I said, I've sold 2 or 3 of these in the past, and they sell kind of quick, normally within a week or 2. So that should be easy money. The Traptanium Portal, unfortunately, it's the Xbox 360 one. If it was the Xbox One, it would be worth about $37. But because it's the Xbox 360, I could probably get $4.57 plus shipping for it. I believe there is one in my unit, so this will actually help, so I don't have to add a whole nother listing. But it being in my unit means it hasn't sold, and because it's in my old inventory, it hasn't really been sold since January. So that's probably gonna sit there for a while. And then last, you could say last, for the non-video game stuff, because I still have that microphone, the dance pad I could probably get $24.57 for. So obviously from this alone, I can make money back. I'll definitely make profit. I don't know how much, I'm not doing the math in my head, but at the top of the screen somewhere, there will be the amount of money that I can make off this, and at the end, I will subtract it with profits and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead, add the video games up, get this microphone added up, and I'll update you guys, so let's get to it. So guys, after doing the actual math for these games, I am pleasantly surprised. So let's just start with the microphone, which I threw somewhere over there. I couldn't find an exact comp because whenever I searched Rock Band, Xbox 360 microphone, all that popped up was Guitar Hero, and there wasn't a model on it. But judging from similar microphones, I can get about $6.57 for it. Now we're on to the actual video games. So starting off with the disc games, we have Wrecked the Yakuza Mission for $3.57 plus shipping, of course. And already, you guys know I already broke even. I don't know how much it is, it's somewhere up here, but I made a lot of money already, and I'm just about to make more. So then we have Resistance 3 for the PS3, disc only. I can get about $3.57 for that. So games that are anywhere between $3.57 and lower, I might just sell in a bulk lot on Facebook, or maybe throw them in a lot for $1 a piece. It's better just to do that. It saves on shipping and saves on fees and long-term listing hassles and stuff. Next is The Sims Bustin' Out, $3.57 for that too. You know, let's just say $4 each, they'll add up. It's crazy. Then we have Guitar Hero Legends of Rock, $6.57. Luckily I have the case for that one, so the price is a little higher. And inside of that, there was actually Guitar Hero Aerosmith for the PS2. So that was a free game, you could say. I can only get about $1.57 for it, so I'll probably just throw it in a lot. But it was a free game. Then we have Need for Speed Undercover at about $6.57 plus shipping. I've sold a couple of the Need for Speed series, and I haven't sold this one, so I'm really happy to start actually selling this one. Next, we have Ultimate Cheat Codes for Grand Theft Auto Vice City, and I believe that is the last disc game, or the last video game with a case. The rest are all discs. So, and these pleasantly surprised me. They honestly did. Asterix for the Sega Genesis, $3.57. The only Sega Genesis game wasn't advertised. You could call that a free game too. But $3.57 plus shipping, not too bad. Then we have Asteroids for the PS1, $2.57 plus shipping. And this is where it actually starts to get good. So we have Tomb Raider 2 for $6.57 plus shipping. That's great. And for these PS1 games, what I'm probably gonna do is buy like a set of 20 PS1 cases for 20 bucks or something, just to throw them all in there, because all these games have the artwork, and I checked every game, they're basically clean of scratches. Whoever I bought these from took great care of their games, but even though I have the artwork in the disc, I don't have a case. So I'll probably buy a bulk lot of PS1 cases, throw them in a case, and I could get an extra $2 a game, which, you know, it's great. Then we have Tomb Raider 1, $9.57. Crazy, two 15-year-old games, 10-year-old games, I'm young, I don't know, sells for $15 combined. That's crazy. Next is Pitfall 3D, $6.57 plus shipping. It's crazy. PS1 games, if you have the artwork, they sell for a decent amount of money. Like, it's awesome. Xena for the PS1, $9.57 plus shipping. Great game too. Once again, for all of these, I'm gonna need to buy a case. I might have a few cases left over in my case bin, but for the most part, I don't have that many PS1 cases, because most of them end up getting shattered, or most people don't have cases for them when I buy them in bulk. Then we got 3 more. We have the Interactive Sampler Disc, Volume 8, I believe. It'll be on screen somewhere. I didn't know this was a thing, but I got $7.57 for it if I end up buying a case, which is great. And then the collection of Activision TV games, or whatever they're called, it'll be on screen somewhere once again. $3.57 plus shipping. Not too impressed, but you know, I already probably, hopefully doubled my money, maybe even tripled my money if I'm lucky. Once again, I don't know the profit. I don't know how much I've made, because I'm not doing the math. I'm doing it while I edit, so it'll be up there somewhere. And then Frogger, $6.57 plus shipping. Ending on a great note. So somewhere up here is how much money I made gross. And then what I'm gonna do during the editing is I'm going to factor in somewhat fees, not exact fees, but somewhat fees, and then the $60 that I took to actually buy everything. So let me shower, let me get ready, and let's get to the finale, boys. So guys, I just did the numbers. I am so happy. I tripled my money. Like, profit-wise, I tripled my money. So after subtracting the $60, that will leave me with $192.96. Then I'm unsure what eBay fees are because I keep changing store plans, or I recently changed store plans. Subtracting PayPal fees, that's 3%. So after subtracting PayPal fees, that's $187.17. Then after PayPal fees, I subtract, let's just say 8% for eBay fees. After subtracting 8%, I still make, drumroll please, $172.97. That's profit. That is amazing. That is absolutely mind-boggling. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This was just one of my mini investments, and from now on, I plan on actually recording and documenting my bigger investments. So anything that's like a lot of items or anything I spend over $100 on, I go ahead and document. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep flipping.